Use to 6mm hex keys to cooperate in removing the through axle screw. Pull out the through axle and remove the front wheel. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the 6 screws that fix the disc brake rotor. Install the disc brake rotor with the arrows facing outwards. Place the disc brake rotor flange. First, pre-tighten the 6 screws diagonally. Then tighten all the screws. Install the front wheels. Insert the through axle from the disc brake side. Use to 6mm hex keys to cooperate in tightening the screws.